Had to take a little drive up into the mountains today. Always fun coming up here. I'm actually kind of surprised I can see this much asphalt. The roads are more covered with snow farther down the mountain than they are up here. It's kind of weird. But these roads are fun no matter what. They do a pretty good job keeping these roads plowed in the winter through the storms. Biggest thing is you just never know what's around a corner as far as the road. It can be clear and then all of a sudden it can be snowpacked, so you kind of have to be prepared. Regardless, it's always a beautiful drive any time of the year. To me, this is where this car truly excels. Is being able to drive it in all 4 seasons, from temperatures much below freezing to extremely hot, and being able to deal with all kinds of roads and mountain roads covered with snow and still be able to get around just fine. I mean, I've driven these with plenty of other cars and even my other front-wheel drive cars, and it does make a difference when you have all-wheel drive when the road conditions are terrible. It's not like you can't possibly get up here still, but into the clouds here. Fun stretch right there. A tighter set of corners. And keep in mind I'm on winter tires, so still plenty of fun. I love when the trees are laced though, like right there. See, people talk about the lack of torque, but I find the torque to be actually very good. I mean, you got to be in the right gear, but when I'm driving these mountain roads, like in this right here, I can, in third gear, coming up, and that torque around, you know, as long as right now, like I'm above 3, and I can just punch it. It's instantaneous. It just pulls right away. So I'm not quite sure what people are having issues with, but so I'm about 2,500 feet right here for elevation. Oh, so you got a little snow right there. Don't want to come around a corner like that too fast. Oh, we caught up with our friend again. Well, that was definitely worthwhile. Oh, he's gonna let me by. Awesome. Always appreciate it when people do that. Oh yeah, now we're some snow-packed road here. I have been very impressed though this first winter with these Vredestein wind tracks. They have done very well in all of the winter conditions that I've thrown at them. And they were a really smoking deal. Man. I could drive roads like this and with this kind of scenery for just hours on end. Never get tired of it. For those of you that have things like this that you can enjoy, get out there and have fun on them. For those of you that don't, that's a true bummer. because this car was made for stuff like this. Let's go up here and see what we got. These are snow parks that they clear out so people can go up and, yeah, see, look at that. Even this is all cleared out. Wow. We'll see what our last one up here has to offer. It's amazing. Packed snow road, and you know, accelerating feels like I'm on asphalt. Okay. Let's see what we got on our last one up around this corner here. This is not paved up here, it's just dirt and gravel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy, they cleared this all the way down to the dirt and mud. Yeah, this no good. Oh wow. And they haven't even cleared over there. There's a foot of snow there. That's funny.